Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can get a free 1 month membership unlimited on Club Penguin. So as you can see, I'm not a member. So, yeah, guess let's get started. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to this website, and there's going to be the link in the description. And then you just scroll down, and then there's the instructions there. And then you can enter a raffle here. The chances of winning the raffle are really high as long as you enter every single time. So basically all you do is put your Club Penguin username and then just put your email address. I'm just gonna enter something random. Okay, so you just put your email there and then press enter raffle, and then you should be entered in the raffle. And then if you win the raffle, they'll just contact you by email and they'll send you the free code. And you could enter this as many times as you want and win as many times as you want. Yes, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.